Hey everyone, it's Kim Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm here with the project share, and this is my next design team project for January for Craft Supplies for You. And this time I've made a book, and this book is ballet themed. I have not made a ballet themed book, and I really wanted to this time. And I started off being inspired by this beautiful image on the front, which is this gorgeous, gorgeous ballet slipper, and it's in this beautiful sort of aqua tealy green blue, almost minty color, and then it's got gold and it's got pink in it as well, and I just loved it. And I printed all of the images on silk this time, just to sort of pick up all these beautiful colors. I kept, mostly neutral around it, because I wanted the colors in the images to really pop, but I have used some color, which you'll see as we go along. So this is my basic book base. It's made out of muslin, and it's got felt in between the pages for nice stability. And on the spine here I've layered up some of Julie's beautiful trim here, and I've also used some of these gorgeous loopy flowers that Julie has in her store, and she has these in all different colors. She may be sold out of some because we just had a big sale at KS4U, so she might be sold out of some of the colors, but I know she's restocking those very, very soon. She's on a buying trip right now, and she's going to be restocking these, so I'm happy about that because everybody loves these flowers. They're so amazing. So anyway, after I had sewn my base together, I added this beautiful doily here, which is made by Wendy Hatfield. Hi Wendy. And this is another applique piece from Lace and Julie's store. Same one that I used on the side here, but I just cut one piece out and I put one of the loopy flowers, as we call them, on top. And then this lace is from my stash. This beautiful little trim here on the edge is from KS4U. And then coming around to the front, I used this beautiful crochet piece here from Helen Lockwood. She sent me that in a rack a while ago. Hello, Helen. And then underneath here is another one of Wendy's doilies that I used in the background. And I've added this beautiful collar piece here. It's a beaded collar piece from KS4U on the corner. I just love how that looks. And I cut up some little flowers here and added the pink clay flowers, and then I've used an applique here with some little flowers from my stash. This is a bridal trim here and a bridal trim here, and then I've used the Prima ballet slippers here. I've had these in my stash forever. And then this piece here and this piece here, you can see the glass cabochons. Craft Supplies for You carries these glass cabochons, and I put some music paper behind them to sort of, pick up the music element of ballet, because you need music for ballet, so that's why I used the music note paper behind it. And I love the way they turned out. They just look like little bubbles of music floating around the slipper, so I thought that looked really pretty. So on the inside here on the first page, let me just get that all straightened up. The first page is a pocket, as you can see, and I made a nice deep pocket here with this vintage doily from my stash. And then I put some lace here, and then all of these beautiful minty green loopy flowers. And then at the bottom I've got this gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous pink beaded dangle trim from Craft Supplies for You. Isn't that amazing? I love that. And then some dangle trim and some beautiful Venice lace under here from KS4U. Right there. And then underneath that, no, I think that might be it. The rest of it's on the other pages. So we'll get to that in a moment. And then let's see, at the top here I put more of this trim here from KS4U, and I added the little green clay flowers just to pick up on what's going on this page of this beautiful ballerina in this gorgeous, gorgeous color of her tutu, and I used this trim from Craft Supplies for You in the matching color. I love how that looks. And more trim here from KS4U, an applique from my stash. The bling is from KS4U. This little piece of bridal trim is from my stash. And let's see, this piece here, I think that's on the other page though. Okay, we'll get to that in a second too. So that's those 2 pages. I love that ballerina. Isn't she pretty? I just love this image. And printing them on silk, I don't know, it just made the colors that much more vibrant. The rhinestone trim is from my stash, as are these little flowers. So that's those pages. And now in the middle, we have these 2 beautiful ballerinas. And going all the way around, I've got this lovely gathered trim here from KS4U. At the bottom, I've got this gorgeous Venice trim with the fringe here. That's from KS4U. This dangle trim underneath it is from KS4U, and then I've got more of that gorgeous white Venice trim there from KS4U, and that goes all the way along. These flower appliques are from my stash. These beaded appliques are from KS4U, as is this beautiful gimp trim, but I think she sold out of that, unfortunately. I've just had it in my stash. And this tiny little trim going around the images. This piece here, this lace is from KS4U. The butterflies were from my stash, and I dyed those with avocado dye just to pick up on the pinks. Little ribbon flowers are from KS4U. The pink beads are from KS4U, and I used my little crown charms that I've had forever in my stash, and I just put those on there because a lot of ballerinas wear crowns or tiaras in their hair. So I put one on each side and put a pink pearl in the middle of that. And this little pink flower is from my stash. The leaves are from my stash. And I've just got some large panel lace that I had in my stash. It's an old curtain, but it looked really pretty, so I put that in the background. So that's those 2 pages. And then we're coming here to the second to last page, and this is the pink page. Isn't she pretty? I love her. So I had to do something in pink because I just thought she was so beautiful. So here I've got KS4U laces all layered up here, and under here this beautiful dangle trim is from KS4U, and then again more of that same trim underneath there. These pink flowers are from my stash, but Julie's got this trim in white now in the store, and I love this lace. I need to get some white. This trim here is from Craft Supplies for You, and I just ran this gimp trim from my stash just around it. And this beautiful beaded piece here is half of an applique. I have the other one around here somewhere, and I just cut half of it and I put that across here just to pick up on a nice beautiful pearly piece there that I just thought looked pretty. These little butterflies are from my stash, but this trim here around the image is from KS4U. Just want to check my, yep, okay. And then here I've got another pocket on the last page. I used more of that same curtain trim from my stash. I've got lots of layered laces here from KS4U on the bottom. Beautiful dangle trims, fringe trim, all of this is from KS4U, and this beautiful long cream colored dangle trim here is also from KS4U that goes along the front and the back of the book. The piece that I made the pocket out of, this trim here, is from KS4U. Of course I used more of the pink loopy flowers that Julie has in her store. Now some people think these are peach, but to me they look like baby pink, so if you see these listed in the store under peach, to me they're actually pink. So I think it depends on what light you're looking at them in, but they worked perfectly with the pinks that I used, so I'm going to call those pink. So I know she's got some of these in the store, but I think they might be listed under peach. So have a look for those. This beautiful little applique here, Helen Lockwood sent me. And then I just made a flower up here with some trim and a little crocheted flower from Helen and another little flower from my stash. And then this butterfly trim is from KS4U, as is this trim behind it. That's also from KS4U. So that's those 2 pages. And then now we're back to the back again. And there's the back piece. I just wanted to show off the lovely laces, and I just kept it kind of simple on the back. But I really love how this turned out. I haven't done a ballet book before, so I really hope that you like it. And check out my links below for KS4U, and this will probably be in my exhibit shop shortly. If you're interested, though, you can PM me on Facebook or on YouTube if you're interested in purchasing this. Just let me know, but it will probably end up in my exhibit shop shortly. And check out all the stuff at KS4U, because there's great stuff to make projects in her store. So I will be back with another video soon. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.